Hello students. Today we will have the summary of the lesson The Little Girl in the Beehive textbook of class ninth. About the author. Catherine Mansfield is New Zealand's most internationally famous author. She was a writer of short stories, poetry, letters, journals and reviews and changed the way short story was written in the English language. She was a rebel and a modernist who lived her short life of 34 years to the full. Now let us know the characters in the story. The main character of the story is Kezia. Then Kezia's mother, Kezia's father, her grandmother and the cook Alice. The title of the story refers to the main character that we will come across, the little girl named Kezia, who, on account of little understanding about her father, usually remained scared of him. She kept a distance from him whenever he would be at home. She considered him to be as big as a giant. She would often get nervous and stutter while talking to him. Now, let's get into the lesson. Kezia's father was a figure of fear for her. She avoided him. Before going to work, she would come to her and give a casual kiss. But when he went, Kezia would feel a great relief. In the evening, Kezia's father comes home. Kezia would hear his loud voice calling for tea. Kezia's mother would ask her to be good girl to take off his shoes. When she would take off his shoes, he would ask if she had been a good girl that day. But she was terrified of him. She would stutter due to fear. She, in fact, would try to speak, but she would hesitate due to fear. For Kezia, her father was like a giant. Her grandmother understands the situation and encourages her to have a nice talk with father and mother. So on a Sunday afternoon, she asks Kezia to go to the drawing room and to have a talk with them. But when she went to the drawing room, she found her mother busy reading and father snoring. So she waited for father. She continued staring at father till he awoke. When actually awoke, he asked her not to stare. She looked like an owl. One day, her grandmother told her to make a pin cushion with yellow silk to gift her father on his birthday, which was approaching. Kezia took it an opportunity to please him. Consequently, Kezia stitches the three sides of the pin cushion. But after that, she needs to stuff the cushion with something. That is why she goes to her mother's room in search of some stuff. There she finds sheets of paper in which her father had written an important speech for the Port Authority. She tore them into pieces and filled the pincushion and stitched the fourth side. That night there was a hue and cry in the house. Father's great speech for the Port Authority has been lost. Rooms were searched and the servants were questioned. Finally, he asked Kezia. Kezia was greatly frightened. Kezia didn't tell a lie. She admitted that she tore the papers. He was very angry. He asked her to hold out her hands and beats her on her hands. He did so to teach her not to touch anything that didn't belong to her. However, she failed to understand why she met out to punishment even after she accepted her mistake. Terribly, she said, "What did God make father for?" Most importantly, one evening she saw Mr. McDonald's playing with his five children, laughing and enjoying with him. This event influenced Kezia that all fathers are not similar. She concluded that some fathers are caring and loving like MacDonald and some are harsh like her father. However, her attitude towards her father changed. Someday, her mother needs to be hospitalized and her grandmother goes with her. So Kezia was alone in the house with the cook Alice. The day went fine, but the night was a different issue. In the middle of the night, she woke up of fear, screaming and weeping as she had a terrible nightmare. When she opened her eyes, she saw her father right next to her. Her father carried her to his bedroom and made her comfortable and warm on his bed. Further, he told her to rub her feet with his legs to set them warm. She spends the night with him, feeling comfortable and safe. After that, she realized that her father was not a bad person and he loves and cares for her in his own way. Moreover, he had to work a whole day to earn for their livelihood and was too tired by evening to play with her. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents. And the writer, Catherine Mansfield, wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. Although, when children are small, when they are young, they do not feel that their parents love them because their parents are strict and many actions of the parents seems unjustified. But as children grow up, they realize that all the acts done by their parents were beneficial for them. The parents were concerned for them, and beneath the strictness lies a heart full of love for the children. And this bond of love between parents and their children has been highlighted through the story. Thank you.